What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing today? We back with another one today. Sorry, I've been out at the beach. As you can see, got the beach chairs out there, right there. But today we're gonna be working on removing these tail lights from the driver and passenger side, and we're gonna be upgrading the rear turn signal to the last fit product. Let's see, pretty much most of my cars last fit product. And here we got our rear turn like that. The whole car needs to be clean. But pretty much, so we're gonna be installing these in the rear back here. So we're gonna remove these tail lights, which is pretty easy. Boom. I'm gonna show y'all again on the passenger side when we get to that side. But so we're gonna change that out. We got the tail lights out. So we're gonna change out this bottom one here, which is that one that leads to the turn signal. We got our rear turn signal lights right there. So we're gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna set this stand up. That way we can go ahead and get this ball game going. First, before we do that, I wanna show y'all the factory piece. Like I said, the whole car needs to be cleaned out. I should do a video on the clean out. As you can see, there go the sand from the beach and stuff. So there we go right there. So we're gonna cut the flashes on. We're gonna look at the rear before the last fit. This is before. And then we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison. Right here, this is the rear turn signal. So the gray one with the big bug, remember that gray with the big bug is gonna be the one for the last fit. So these are complete plug and play, 100% complete plug and play. So if it don't work on one side, you can reverse the polarity, like taking it out, flipping it around like that, installing it. So we're gonna try this side first that I had already out. We're gonna go cut the flashes on. Man, it's super bright. Loving it the way they look. So we're gonna stop here. So we're gonna get ready to put So, that being said, we're gonna put that on there. And we're gonna do the side-by-side comparison. As you can see, there you go right there. Boom. Last fit, stop. Last fit, and we stop. So we're gonna do the same process to the passenger side, and we're gonna get these bulbs installed real quick. And I'll see y'all when I'm done with the next one.
This is a Country Boy Mars production.
Like I said, once again, I got to put polarities on. So what we're gonna do pull it out, flip it around, and boom, got it in there. Then we got both last fit bulbs in. I do keep up with my original bulbs just in case, but I don't think we're gonna need it. As you can see, both last fit bulbs in. I got front and back last fit bulbs. It look luxurious, but I'm not gonna lie. That shit look real good. You can see it off on the distance. Like it looks really, really good. They're definitely gonna see you which way you turning. They're gonna see it. They can't miss you. They can't miss you. So next thing I want to do is definitely I want to upgrade these. I want to upgrade those big time. And you know, I also want to check something out. I don't know if this gonna work, but I want to check something out. So I want to check to see if this will fit that LT10 bulb for the side markers. Hey, why not? Let's check it out. Putting the other light back together over there. I'm gonna have to go back in and do that one. But yo, I saw the bulb and I was like, man, these bulbs look like the bulbs inside. So I did have some spare side marker lights left over that I thought couldn't work with well, they wouldn't work with my headlight because I have the other light on. I mean the signature headlight. So I put the side markers in, that kind, and then we did that. So check this out. Side marker amber light actually works in the back for the tail lights too. Yo, this is about to be live right now. So the only thing I'm gonna have left with the tail light is actually the brake light. The side marker light actually work, and those are the, which one is it? The LT10A model, as you can see right here. That's that right there. See, we can focus in on it. So we got that, and we're gonna put it in on that side over there. All right, so I'm gonna put this tail light back together and we'll go from there. I am so excited about that, dude. That is nice. Appreciate that last fit. So I can't remember if I told y'all not the part number for the rear turn signal. It's gonna be your last fit brand T-74408. That's gonna be the brand name. Mosquito just got me. You can go to www.lastfit.com, check them out. Type in the 2019 to 2021 Nissan Altima. They got the lights for it. It's gonna be for your for the side markers. Part number is this L-T10A. So that's pretty much what I got right here. I'm gonna show you all that. These bugs think they slick.
Boy Mars production.
So I'm gonna put all this up now, get it back in the house. I give you a complete video of it. All right. What's up, y'all? Before this video is over with, I want to let y'all in on something about these floor mats. I had these over probably about 2 months now, and y'all, when I say these right here, like, kid you not, like, they are the best. You see how dirty this is? This from the beach and everything else. They're super easy clean. Look at my carpet, dude. Look how I protected my carpet. We've been to the beach. It's been raining. It's been muddy. Like, I got a kid too, so my back seat needs Jesus. He weighs something in here tonight, so got to clean that out. But look at that. This is the side he sit on, the side my son sit on. Like I said, it's easy to clean these. Pretty much, I'm gonna show y'all a quick review on how to clean that one and the one up front. And my fiance, she sits up there at the front. Let's see how dirty. So it ain't even dirty as me and my son. Cause look at this. We went out to the beach, sand and everything, and super easy clean these. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So we can get this done. We take this out, fold it sideways like this. Grab that in. I'm gonna pull it out. With that being said, that's how easy it is to clean these things. Like, I kid you not. Like, you see the sand right here, right? Watch it just fall off. It just fell off, right? And next thing you want to do, get that water going on it. I'm gonna put this on the stand real quick. And just like that, you got a quick clean. All you gotta do is get you a little dry towel or something, go over it with it. And man, I kid y'all not, man. I'm telling y'all, like, this right here, I am so glad they sent these out, because it's been the best thing ever. Because if I was going to the beach and had my factory rugs in here, they've been destroyed right now. All that sand, everything out, everything else in there. So I mean, I'm greatly thankful that I do have these in my car. So it's another thing I want to reach out to them about. I know some of y'all might not like seeing this logo right here, but that's their company. What if they like made some custom floor mats for you all, which I'm gonna reach out to them about. They make some custom floor mats. Either have whatever car you have or whatever you want on it. You can get it embroidered right here or in the middle, wherever you decide. You know, they pretty much make some custom mats. I'll reach out to them about that. So, I mean, if y'all want that done, leave it in the comments. Like, and hey, they see the video. I'm telling you, these are worth it. I'm not lying to you. They are very worth it. So y'all take care, man. Peace.